OLED gaming monitors are at the top of the display world right now, with insane contrast, ultra-fast response, and smooth 240Hz gaming. But if you're choosing between the ASUS PG32UCDM and the MSI MPG 322URX QD OLED, which one should you pick? Let's break it down. So first up, the ASUS, a 32-inch 4K QD OLED gaming monitor with a native 3840 by 2160 resolution, 240Hz refresh, and 0.03 millisecond response time for buttery smooth gameplay and incredibly crisp visuals. It also supports adaptive sync and NVIDIA G-Sync compatible for tear-free play. Some of its pros: stunning QD OLED picture quality with deep blacks and rich colors, excellent for HDR and immersive gaming. 240Hz refresh and 0.03 millisecond response time, ultra smooth motion for competitive and cinematic gaming, high HDR performance for and wide color gamut with 99% DCI-P3, and good connectivity using USB-C, HDMI 2.1, and robust gaming features built into ASUS ecosystem. However, OLED panels generally struggle a bit with full-screen SDR brightness compared to LCD alternatives, and no unique DisplayPort 2.1a full bandwidth unless you grab a newer version. It relies on DP 1.4 and DSC in some setups. It's best for gamers and creators who want top-tier visuals, vibrant HDR, and sleek gaming performance in one package. The MSI MPG, also a 32-inch 4K QD OLED display with 240Hz refresh and 0.03 millisecond response time, but with some cutting-edge extras like DisplayPort 2.1a, UHBR20 for native 4K at 240Hz without compression, and USB-C with 98-watt power delivery. Some of its pros: native 4K at 240Hz over DisplayPort 2.1a, no need for display stream compression or supported GPUs, meaning cleaner visuals and future-proof bandwidth. Same ultra-fast 240Hz and 0.03 millisecond combo, and deep blacks with OLED contrast, OLED Care 2.0 burn-in prevention and gaming-focused features, and USB-C with 98-watt PD, great for charging laptops while gaming. However, SDR peak brightness is still limited at 250 nits versus some premium competitors. Some owners report occasional firmware quirks or reliability variations in real-world use. It's best for competitive gamers and anyone with next-gen GPUs who want true 4K at 240Hz without compromise and unique MSI features. Here's how they stack up. In terms of gaming and performance, both monitors share 4K resolution, 240Hz refresh, and super fast response, making either a top choice for high-end PC gaming. Future-proof features: the MSI MPG pulls ahead with DisplayPort 2.1a native bandwidth for true 4K at 240Hz without compression and more powerful USB-C PD, ideal if you pair it with next-generation GPU and laptop. In terms of HDR and color, the ASUS shines with robust DCI-P3 coverage and strong HDR performance, plus reliable ASUS software features for customization and gaming tools. The bottom line: go with the MSI MPG if you want future-ready bandwidth and connectivity, especially for high-end GPU setups. Choose the ASUS if you want excellent color accuracy, HDR, and polished gaming features in a flagship QD OLED gaming monitor. Both are fantastic 32-inch OLED options. Your choice comes down to whether you care more about connectivity and future-proofing versus premium gaming ecosystem and color tuning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.